Welcome back to the channel, fellow food trippers. Are you craving authentic Lanzhou-style hand-pulled noodles? You don't need a plane ticket to China. Just a trip to Binondo, specifically to a place hidden along Quintin Paredes Street. The place is easy to spot, with an ad sign displayed at the storefront that attracts the attention of passers-by with menu photos that set diners' expectations. Plus, its enticing budget-friendly price of 399 pesos net per person for unlimited hot noodle soups, toast noodles, Unli dim sum with Unli hot mains, rice, Unli side dishes, desserts and drinks at the buffet. There's something for everyone. Now you can experience the Binondo Noodle Crawl featuring China Lanzhou Beef Noodles, a modest and low-key gem where you can see cuts of dough being rhythmically hand-pulled by chefs. A traditional technique where the dough is twisted and stretched into long, thin strands placed in a steaming hot pot, then transferred to a steaming bowl of Beef La Mien. Beef La Mien is the real star of the classic Chinese noodle dish, renowned for its clear broth, tender beefy slices, and pressed hand-pulled noodles. It is simple but incredibly comforting. China Lanzhou Beef Noodles restaurant is a favorite place for a reason. It's almost always packed at lunchtime and dinner time, with locals and diners slurping noodles from wide to extra wide noodles and thin to medium thin noodles, all while smiling, an ultimate sign of a great meal. Beyond the four kinds of noodle soup and four toast noodles, the menu at China Lanzhou is huge. The buffet comes with a generous spread of Chinese favorites, from appetizers or snacks of spring rolls, pan-fried pork bun, shredded potato wrap, scallion pancakes, savory sauce pancake, pumpkin pancake, sweet potato balls, to steamed asado siopao, sweet ube bun, sticky rice chicken, chicken feet, stewed beef soup, pork siomai, pork chicken Xiao Long Bao, shrimp dumplings, alongside with marinated boiled eggs, bulalo soup with corn, and side dishes of cold toast bean sprouts, black with mushroom salad, and spicy preserved century egg. The buffet also features a variety of Chinese hot main dishes, such as scrambled eggs with tomatoes, braised pork belly with quail eggs, fried chicken legs, complemented by sautéed noodles with vegetables, beef fried rice and egg fried rice, and cup with pressed fruits of sweet pineapple, red watermelon, and oranges, as well as refreshing fruit drinks and soya milk. China Lanzhou Beef Noodles is one noodle haven that quietly perfected the craft, where noodle lovers will be enjoying their chopsticks, lifting a giant nest of noodles. So make your dining feast with good food, good company, and a good buffet for less. Add this spot to your Binondo bucket list and start your noodle hopping food trip adventure here, where you can enjoy authentic and unlimited Chinese dishes which are perfect for any Binondo food crawl. See you again in our next food trip adventure. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.